I would like to know, in the state of Alabama, is it legal for me to file bankruptcy myself without hiring a lawyer?
Okay, what her question was is, can she file bankruptcy herself without a lawyer? Is that something that she can do alone, or do you think that she needs some legal advice or some legal counsel?
Well, I'm a lawyer, and I know that if I needed to file bankruptcy, I would get a lawyer for bankruptcy. It's a really detailed area of the law. There's a lot of rules, there's a lot of procedure, and so my best advice is to speak to a lawyer. The fees for filing a bankruptcy, they're not astronomical. They work those sorts of things into the bankruptcy themselves. So a lot of times you don't even have to come up with an out-of-pocket cost. But I would stay away from doing that myself. Definitely call a lawyer, at least find out what's involved, and if they can help you, I would let them.
Great question, Robin, and I would think that there are some things that, you know, the average person may not know about if they decide just to go file bankruptcy on their own, because you're talking about your credit and you need to have good credit for in the future. Of course, vehicles don't last a lifetime, and people can fall on hard times as far as homes and changing and getting new mortgages. So it's very important, I would think, to make sure that you have good credit, and when you file bankruptcy, that would be in limbo.
You know, you're right. I would definitely talk to a lawyer, because there's a lot of cases and situations where the person may not even need to file bankruptcy. They feel like they're overwhelmed, or there's so many bills coming in that that's their only option. But a lot of times those things can be worked around. You can call the collectors and come up with a payment plan. And only in the, you know, the extreme circumstances maybe does it make sense to file bankruptcy, because you're right, it does impact your credit. Some of them go on for 5 years. It's payment after payment. And so I would use that as a last resort. Maybe just meet with a bankruptcy lawyer and find out maybe what your options are and what fits for you.